Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Stripe to your bank account. And this is a very easy Stripe payout tutorial. The first thing I want you to do is come here and sign in to Stripe, enter your email and password, sign in, and then on the left hand panel click on balances. Okay, from here the first thing you need to do is add a bank account to pay your balance. So tap on that and then go ahead and complete a security verification using your email. So just send the verification. Once you have verified, come here at the top right, click on the gear cog, click on settings, tap on profile, and then all you need to do once you have linked your bank account, come here and tap on linked external accounts. Okay, you should see the account linked, and if not, you can add your own account, and then you just come to bank accounts and currencies and change your payout schedule. You can set it, for example, whether it's automatic every day or you can do it manually. You can go ahead and initiate payments. You can toggle that, or you can change this, for example, from day to even a week. So go ahead and verify. And once you verify, you can easily switch this, for example, every week on Monday. You can save it or even initiate it manually. Okay, so that is how you can go ahead and do that. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.